Hey you guys, what's up? And welcome to Crunchwrap. So what I'm going to be showing you is how I make my own crunch wraps at home. Stay tuned. Okay, so I started out with just a flour tortilla. Mind you, I really do need one that's way bigger, but I can only find 10-inch ones, so I'm just working with what I have. Now for the middle part, which you guys are going to see a little bit later in the video, I need a piece to cover the middle because the shells aren't big enough. So what I do is I take the tostada and place it in the middle of my tortilla shell, and then I just simply cut along the shape of the tostada. Now is when you want to place your cutout tortilla on top of all of your toppings. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I fold it, but I am just preparing my pan with basically lightly coating the bottom of it with olive oil. Okay, so you want to take it and fold it up kind of like of the shape, and then just simply just lay it over, and you'll see once you start, it'll just kind of naturally just go into that fold. Place it in the pan with the folded side down. So depending on how crispy you like yours, you want to leave it cooking for about 1 to 2 minutes. I leave mine about 1 minute because I really don't like it that burnt. And you should end up with something like this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, of course